The 6 heroes had all reached their shrines. Pohatu, Kopaka, Liwa, Gali, Onua, and Tahu. The protectors had guided them wisely, but time was running out. Skull spiders launched their attacks, and their protectors would not stand a chance against them.
Fulfill the prophecy. The time has come.
Elemental power filled Tahu's body completely.
Run, Tahu. It's too late for me.
No, it is not too late. For I am the Master of Fire!
The golden masks gave them elemental strength to defeat the skull spiders. Their amazing powers had been unlocked.